What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I will teach you and show you step by step how to make $18,000 a month for start. Ideas and plans you can use today. I am about to share with you my 5 streams of income. I make this all online from the comfort of my home, but first before we get into all that, if you are new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. But don't be a stranger, hit that subscribe button and join the family. Also do me a huge favor and like this video to help me get this info out to more people who in their journey to success. I started building my streams of income making all this good money starting in 2020. You all know what 2020 was, the Big Bang pandemic, so this all how it started. We need to always make sure we have different streams of income pumping in from different places, and I'm about to share with you all of mine. And I just want you to kind of use this as some inspiration if you are looking to get out of your 9 to 5. You want to just see how others are doing it. If you want to see how I am making over $18,000 a month, please watch this video. And you want to do the same, then this video is definitely for you. Without further ado, we are going to jump into my very first stream of income, which you are watching right now, and that is YouTube, more specifically YouTube ads. This makes up roughly about, I'll say, 40% of my income. In case you are not aware, you need have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once I have reached those requirements, I went on ahead and applied to be a YouTube partner. I was approved in less than 24 hours, and the very first check that I got was within 2 months. On YouTube you are paid once a month for the previous month, so within 2 months on my first check I made over $1,888, and once I saw that I could make money like that, I was like, you know what, I'm thinking this is looking like a full-time career for me. A lot of people don't like to share exactly what they're making on YouTube. I have been sharing mine because I really want you guys to have the information that you need to see if it's even worth it. I'm not going to just make it seem like being on YouTube you could just throw a video out there, and then boom, you made it. It is a lot of hard work that goes into it, and this is one of the best ways to make money when it comes to all the social media platforms, and I will share more ways and tips to help you on your journey to success. Now, the one thing I do want you to keep in mind is that there is no set pay like you could Google, and they'd be like, okay, if you get this many views you're definitely going to make this amount of money. It varies from creator to creator, from channel to channel, niche to niche, and a lot of times people are not going to pay a lot of money to put ads in like prank videos and challenge videos, but on the other hand they will pay a lot for finance channels, for real estate, for beauty channels, for gaming channels, those type of things. Alright, stream of income that is bringing me anywhere from maybe 20 to 30% of my income, and this number is actually starting to increase a little bit more, and that is through sponsorships or brand deals, whichever one you want to call it. And what brand deals? A particular brand will pay you to promote their product for a certain amount of time. Now, initially I was the type of person that avoided brand deals. I didn't really know how to deal with the brand deal, because me personally, I am the type of person that do not want to promote something that I have no idea about it. If I can't stand 10 toes behind it, I don't want to tell you to go and get it, so I was kind of skeptical about getting into that, but then a light bulb went off, like you don't have to promote things that you don't use or you don't like, you have no idea about. Just promote things that you do like and you are aware. My mind was blown. I don't know where I was before that, but so that's what I started to do, because one thing I pride myself on is being very real and authentic with you guys. So I only tend to work with brands that I really believe in and trust. I'm going to tell you all. Some ballpark is going to be kind of close, okay, so pretty much what I typically make with brand deals, it's honestly going to depend on what they want, whether it's 60 seconds and 90 seconds, 2 minutes, like the price goes up. Yesterday's price is not today's price. Typically it can be anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 for like 2 minutes or less, and I've had some deals that were over $25,000 for one video. So my little advice to you, just have to know your worth. You have to know what you bring to the table. A lot of times the brands want to know who your audience is like, what reach do you have, and when you understand your work you can make sure that you are getting what you deserve. Now, my third form of income is going to be affiliate links, and this one is on the lower end of the payment spectrum. Because I typically avoid doing affiliate links, you are paid commission based on a person clicking on a link and signing up for a service or purchasing a product or online courses, then you get commissions from it. Most YouTubers, if you go to their page and they are telling you about products they got on Amazon and they went on out their way and put the link down in the description for you to find that product. Affiliate links, and this is passive income. You all, once you make that video, put that link up there, you know that's going to continue to make money for you and you don't have to do anything extra. Little word of advice when it comes to affiliate links: make sure you do your research and figure out exactly how much you'll be getting paid. Because I was expecting a big check one time, and it was like $8, so just make sure you know what you're getting paid. My next stream of income is Teespring. Teespring is basically a print shop. It allows you to create and sell custom-made products like shirts, socks, pants, hats, bags, phone cases, fanny packs, like probably anything that you can think of that you want to create, you can do on Teespring. Since this is whole another topic, I will make a separate video of me creating a shirt and pants and socks and everything, because once you make that logo, you could just put it on everything and sell it and make that money. This is really a good way to kind of start getting your feet wet with e-commerce, because there's really no storage fee or loss. You don't have to worry about inventory. What happens is once you create your designs, you upload it, then Teespring takes over from there. Once somebody wants to purchase your design, they go ahead on and print it. Of course, they charge you a printing fee, but you don't have to pay that up front. After customer paid, they ship it for you. You literally don't have to do anything but sell the product. Now that's another story. Selling the products can be a little challenging, and you get to set your prices so that you know. Figure out how much you want to make off of that item, and just based on current market try to put reasonable price for the item. And now this one is not a lot of my income, probably 1 or 2% of it will be this, but hey, any income is better than nothing, right? The next thing I'm about to share with you is I really enjoy doing print on demand because it's not as stressful as having physical products where you have to keep up with everything, ship it out yourself and all that. I started to look for more ways where I can print on demand, low inventory type things, and the next thing I found was through BookBoat, and I actually just did a detailed video about this as well with BookBoat, which I will be sharing that video soon. I create low content books, which means basically journals for people to write in, notebooks, you know, things like that, where there's really no writing in the inside, just blank pages for them to write in, but is really easy to create, and again is a print on demand service. I use Amazon. Whenever someone orders it, they print it, which again means no inventory for me. It means that I don't have to worry about any upfront costs again, like that type of things. I'm telling you, this is really simple, it's really easy, and it's something that I believe that you will enjoy doing it. Like I said, a lot of these things, they are easy to start, cost-friendly, and with no loss. So these are my 5 streams of income. I hope that this has helped you out. I hope that you find something helpful in what I am doing, and then you can do it too. Why? Because we want to all get this money together. But other than that, please don't forget to like this video for me. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and I thank you so much for watching. Until next time.